And if a daughter's what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we let her go. I walk her down the aisles. She looks so beautiful.